Hello, good afternoon. I am Jason Salcedo, student business administration in the UNAD and the English course. I process pronunciation, the exercise, the step 1. Let's go. Wise, sit, finish, mop, punch, smack, paint, face, pick, punch, smash, mash, pinch, stud, unique. Let's look in the infographic. My last holidays, happy holidays. My last holidays were in Santa Marta, beautiful Santa Marta. Is in the beach Buritaca. It was beautiful family weekend with my mother, my brothers, and me, Jesus answered. My mother named Svani, my sister Stephanie, Luisa, my brother Zaire. Mm. In the beach, Buritaca is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, let's talking about the weather in Bosconia. Bosconia have tropical weather with temperatures and breezy, hot temperatures. Everyone will visit in should to staying seeing the train and shall stay at the hotel Harring, try the typical food and enjoy festivities and practice typical dance. And finally, before leaving the BJs, they shall enjoy beautiful nature. Beautiful nature in BJ's Bosconia Cesar. Bye. Thank you.